combining ways to make money. Just like you can combine habits to make a routine, you can combine ways to make money. Using this technique can save you time, increase your income, and therefore live with higher standards. Best part about this technique is that everyone of any age can apply this. Example, let's say you work at a new clothing store in your neighborhood. Chances are they haven't done too much advertising for their store. If this is the case, you should use video editing skills to create ads for the store and earn some extra money. The most powerful combinations you can make are combining ways to make money with automation. In order to do this, you will need to put a system in place. You have a funnel filled with oranges. Customers of your stand can press a button. An orange leaves the funnel and rolls into the machine, creating orange juice. You have placed a cup next to it for your customers to put the money in. All you need to do now is fill the funnel with oranges from time to time, and the business will run on its own. When you want to combine ways to make money, you're already setting up passive income. Once you have your money combining system in place, everything will become easier. The nice part about combining ways to make money is that you can do it numerous times, and here is a great example of that. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to inform people about a topic or your point of view. It's more or less teaching people from behind a screen, and they can't see you. To be a blogger, you will need a website. On that website, you can place ads. Another way to make money by blogging is with affiliate marketing. Let's say you're a builder and write all sorts of things about building a treehouse. If other people are interested in the products you use to build those tree houses, you can use affiliate marketing to make some money. You get an affiliate link with the product you use. Let's say you use Amazon. You can place your Amazon affiliate link of the product in your blog. If people then buy those products by using your link, you'll be paid a commission. Another way you can make money with blogging is by writing articles, linking to specific companies that pay for the articles. The pay for these articles will vary based on the quality, length of the article, and how popular your site is, the duration people spend on your site on average, and what your blog in general is about. It's important for everyone to target articles, news, etc. to their target audience. Combining ways to make money not only increases your income, but also improves the way you look at the world. Because once you start combining ways to make money, it becomes easier to see those opportunities everywhere. And if you build a system around that, your income may become partially passive. It's going to take a lot of effort to build a system in the right place. You want to build a system around a profitable area, something that you're passionate about, something that would benefit other people and maybe even the world. Obviously, you'll need to start somewhere, which means it won't be a big system or idea right away. Surely, you can have a grand vision to work towards, but it's important to get started right after you find the right area. With the right product or service built into your system, you can make a lot of money. It will take hard work and patience. You should go for it, as long as you're building something that you think is worth it. If you look at many businesses today, they're already combining lots of things to generate that extra cash. When you start applying this technique to your own business ideas or little side hustles, your world will expand and the future will look bright. Experiment a bit, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.